Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go and get into y'all energy, see what the heck y'all got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. If they will resonate, leave it as not. We're gonna go ahead and get into this element. Mm. My mouth got a little wet. Let's go and get into it. Happy birthday, Earth. I said Earth sign, air signs. Aquarius season has begun. Air signs, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius will definitely be first and up in regards to what is going on with y'all energy. Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful week thus far. It is hump day. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What y'all got going on? What's happening with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Gratitude for sharing my page with those that resonate, even with those that doesn't resonate. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. All right. So let's go ahead and get into the air signs. What y'all got going on? Let's pull one from the Island Times. What is going on with the air signs, please, Spirit? What's going on with the air signs? Love call. Someone expresses love, a message of love, thinking of you, and let you know there's a love call here. Love calls your name. That's what I'm saying here. A message of love, y'all. Somebody about to get a phone call or a message or something on your birthday. People going to be expressing the love they have for you and things like that. All right, let's go and clarify this love call energy. Love call with the air in regards to the air signs. I'm seeing you guys persevering. There's an energy of you guys possibly having blockages, you guys overcoming those blockages. I'm definitely seeing an energy of resolution. You guys could possibly have online community or something like that. You're coming out as very morale, humane energy, introverts. Number 66, number 7 could be significant as well. All right. It seems like you guys are in this energy of possibly separation. Okay. So you guys maybe be spending a lot of time to yourselves, even if you're in a connection or not. People sending their well wishes and things like that. You're a very private individual. All right. What's going on? Twin flames could definitely be significant here. It jumped right on out. What do we need to know in regards to this twin flame? Ooh, these cards didn't jump right on out. I see you guys possibly spending time with someone. I don't know. Maybe you guys could be going on a date or something like that. I'm saying like I was gonna say a bonfire. I don't mean a bonfire. Like a fire pit or something like that may very much be significant. I'm definitely seeing an energy of running. Yeah, somebody's running. Either somebody's a runner or there's energy of someone's running, possibly from a marriage. There's energy of someone being married. I'm seeing even having a family. Somebody might be running away from a family, getting away from a family, got away from a family or family situation or some sort of marriage or something. Somebody has been in separation or spending a lot of time for themselves. You possibly been focusing on, perseverance, overcoming some sort of hurdles or problems in your life or in your marriage, when you or whatever it could possibly be. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of you guys, receiving some sort of message, especially of someone expressing their love. Someone is thinking of you and they want to let you know that they're thinking of you on your day. That's what I'm seeing here. Um, let's continue to grab another day. What do we need to know? Clarify this. I want to clarify twin flames. So this could possibly be your twin flame, a soulmate, some sort of kindred spirit or something like that. Wife, husband. Clarify this twin flame. Twin flames. I'm seeing abuse. Mental, physical, spiritual abuse could have been going on in the connection. What's going on with this running energy? Running, mature man. It seems like this is an older masculine energy. Is what I'm seeing here. Clarify married. What do we need to know in regards to married? Married. What do we need to know in regards to marriage for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? I'm seeing divination. Somebody getting readings. Somebody's getting readings. Let me grab one more. Number 70, number 5, number 54 could be significant. Somebody receiving spiritual guidance, spiritual assistance, or something like that. Anything else? Yeah, change. High priest. It seems like whoever I'm speaking to could be a very spiritual masculine energy, or it could be a feminine energy, what I'm seeing here. But I am showing that there was some sort of abuse here, mental, physical, spiritual. It could be from an older masculine individual, or it could be towards a mature masculine individual. I'm seeing there's energy of someone receiving some sort of spiritual guidance, especially in regards to how to carry things with whoever this person is that you may be married to, connected to, or have a family with. I'm definitely seeing things coming to an end with this change, with this number nine out here. And like I stated before, I could be speaking of a priest, okay? A masculine or feminine energy. And right behind that, it has twin flame again. So we have double twin flame out here, clarifying that you guys may very well be twin flames. Okay, let me go ahead and grab another deck, y'all. Let me grab the tarot. Ah, but yeah, it's like an energy of somebody getting away from someone else or something like that, possibly planning some sort of exit out of a relationship, a marriage, a connection, getting away from a child mother or father. Okay, because it seems like it's very abusive, it's toxic. All right. It's like the energy is thick and heavy. All right. Number 64 could be significant. I'm definitely seeing you're looking to explore, follow your some sort of passion. There's energy of wanting to travel. All right. From a possibly an ice queen could be out here. A very emotionally closed off feminine energy is what I'm seeing here. Number 41 could be significant, selfish, someone that's giving the evil eye. There's an energy of giving the evil eye, and they have mature woman. So it's someone that you're married to. Wow. Clarify this abuse. Abuse, play spirit. I'm seeing that there's a fire sign here. Could be significant. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Clarify this abuse. I'm seeing this person having a lot of options. Or you. You could possibly even be a fire sign. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of a lot of options, someone making choices or having choices, especially when it comes to other love options with all these cups. I'm definitely seeing somebody entertaining other options and someone moving on. With the three wands energy, there's an energy of having self-confidence and moving forward or making plans, having some sort of foresight to move forward. This is definitely something that somebody is manifesting with this magician card. Wait a minute, y'all. Because um the light is lighting. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, y'all. The light is definitely lighting right now. Let's go ahead and tone it down just a little bit. Let's tone it down just a little bit. Just a little too much is going on around here. I can barely see. You can barely see the cards. Can't nobody see right now. It's almost like we got to get that together. Let's go and clarify this mature man. As I stated before, with the magician at the bottom of the deck, I'm definitely seeing an energy of someone possibly manifesting. Somebody could even be dabbling in magic. Clarify this mature man. This mature man is running. Clarifying running is mature man, and clarifying mature man is the high priestess. So you're the high priest. Clarify mature man. Yeah, this mature man is coming out as an independent individual, possibly having some sort of financial stability and security. I'm seeing there's an energy of you're reaping some sort of rewards, possibly through some sort of hard work or something like that. Uh-huh. You're coming out as the Nine of Pentacles, King of Pentacles energy is what I'm showing here, some sort of security, stability. Single, wanting to possibly running away. It's talking about you running away or getting away from some sort of toxic connection. I don't know why I feel like this is like a very emotionally manipulative energy that you are connected to. Okay, I'm seeing air. I'm sorry, sign is definitely heading this reading. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, but I'm seeing a fire sign out here. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. I'm also seeing an earth sign out here. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. I don't know if somebody's running towards someone else. An earth sign or something like that is what I'm saying here. We got the Most High down here clarifying this King of Pentacles energy. So it seems like this earth sign, this Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, strong Taurus energy is someone that's possibly very traditional. I feel like this person might be very spiritual, very intelligent, very knowledgeable, very wise. Could possibly even be like a divine feminine, divine masculine energy from what I'm seeing here. Clarify this marriage. Married? What do we need to know? I'm sorry. Let's clarify divination and change. Okay. I'm seeing somebody putting that work in. There's an energy of investing a lot of time, money, or energy into something, perfecting something, building something. I don't know if there's a business that you're building. Okay, possibly building up some sort of reputation. I'm definitely seeing you becoming a master of some sort of expertise. I'm seeing you working hard or focusing on making some sort of change. There's an energy of being patient and focused, is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing you having a lot of strength, but I'm seeing that there's an energy of somebody wants to keep control over you guys, okay? Wanting some sort of keep some sort of possession over you guys, not wanting to let you go or something like that. Clarify this divination and change. Yeah, you're focusing on a brighter future, working towards some sort of brighter future, some sort of freedom, positivity. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. Divination and change. Anything else? Number 19 could be significant. 9 and 1 is 10. Yeah. This is again, this is could be nostalgic energy back here. It's something in regards to the past here. It's like you're trying to free yourself from the past or something like that, or leave something in the past. I feel like there may be some sort of immaturity here. Somebody may be childish, or you could be dealing with someone that's younger than you. All right. I feel like someone possibly wants to give a love offer to someone else or be with someone else. Yeah, because I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody walking away. There's an energy of somebody changing their mind, abandoning some sort of plan, letting go, escaping some sort of situation, getting the heck away. We have the Ace of Swords out here clarifying that. Yep. Somebody's trying to balance out a situation. Okay. There's an energy of karmic justice at play. I feel like there's some sort of someone's karma is for someone to leave someone. Is what I'm showing here. I feel like whoever this person is, I feel like this could also talk about someone needing to make some sort of decision. Yeah, somebody need to definitely make some sort of decision, already made some sort of decision. I'm seeing again, karmic justice is definitely at play. There's an energy of integrity, cause and effect. Somebody having to learn some sort of life lesson, especially when it comes to some sort of contract or binding agreement you guys have with one another. Yeah, this is the energy of somebody might even try to apologize to keep someone from going. Okay, but it seems like this is this person's karma to be left, is what I'm showing here. Because I'm definitely seeing like there's some sort of stalemate, some sort of stalemate situation that's going on right now, and someone having to make some sort of difficult, painful choice or decision. I'm seeing that it being stressful, but I'm definitely seeing somebody being having some sort of being torn between what to do. I'm definitely seeing an energy of divided loyalty. All right. I feel like there's an energy of spirit, someone being very spiritual, having some sort of faith, focusing, wanting to heal. All right. Having faith in the future, hoping, wishing, and praying, especially when it comes to an empress energy. This could talk about a mother figure or an empress energy overall. Clarifying this empress energy is someone that's in solitude. There's a hermit, someone that spends a lot of time to themselves. Or this could be a masculine energy. I'm definitely seeing an energy of someone contemplating decisions and choices that they make. I'm seeing them relying on possibly inner guidance. But again, there's energy of you guys seeking or having be placed in solitude. That's what it seems like. There's energy of someone going into solitude while being in a connection is what I'm showing here. And like I stated before, there's an energy of manifesting. This is the energy of someone having all the resources internally, externally within themselves to be successful and to continue to move forward. There's an energy of someone that has been visualizing or manifesting their desires is what I'm showing here and putting towards trying to place some sort of willpower towards what they are looking to bring in. Is what I'm saying here. It look like it's causing a lot of conflict, a lot of confusion, a lot of fights, and a lot of arguments because there's an energy of someone losing control. Somebody wants to continue to hold on and possess someone. There's an energy of stinginess. I'm seeing someone carrying a whole lot of burdens while, or dealing with a whole lot of things while being in connection with this person. With this Three of Pentacles, it seems like you guys possibly could be living together, work together, or something like teaming to up together. Like I stated, you guys may have children or something like that, running some sort of household because I see family here. But I'm seeing like there's an energy of someone that says too late, secrets, separation. Somebody secretly want to separate from someone, get a divorce or something like that. It's like an energy of someone going through soul searching. Have gone through some sort of searching or going through some sort of soul searching or something like that. Somebody's ready to let go. Okay. I'm seeing that there is a Queen of Swords out here. Aquarius could be significant. What's going on with this Aquarius? Queen of Swords energy. All right. There's an energy of having strength. Okay. What's going on? Yeah, there's an energy of having strength, all right? Maintaining or taking control of some sort of situation internally, overcoming a lot of self-doubt. I'm seeing you might also be assisted by friends. I'm seeing friendship here as well, coming together. All right. And I'm definitely seeing like it's a buildup of some sort of momentum, especially when it comes to someone possibly feeling like stabbed in the back. This could also talk about you receiving news. Someone receiving news in regards to possibly not wanting to be with someone, and somebody feels like they're being stabbed in the back because you're trying to cause some sort of ending. But again, there's an energy of betrayal. This person badmouth, bitchy, bitter, think they can treat you like a doormat. There's an energy of someone being exhausted, and I see this person watching or seeing. There's an energy of spying, watching, looking at something, especially and seeing something, especially when it comes to being betrayed, lied to, cheated, stole from, or something like that. In the spirit, you got this temperance angel here bringing some sort of balance to a situation. Okay. But you know, with the temperance angel, it talks about being patient because things are moving in divine timing. All right. Anything else? Yeah. I'm saying you're getting news. There's some sort of message here, phone call, text message, email. What is this message in regards to regarding our air signs? I'm seeing an emperor here, possibly a father figure. There's an energy of emperor, father figure, husband, older masculine energy. I'm seeing somebody placing boundaries. There's energy of someone standing up for their belief, fighting for their corner, protecting themselves, defending themselves, taking control, taking a high road against the devil energy. It seems like this person is have some sort of addiction, battling mental health or depression or something like that, strong ego, a lot of secrets, very obsessive, violent, abusive, assaulting. This person might be putting hands and feet. Like I said, assault, mental, physical, spiritual. All right, that's what I'm showing here. There's energy of juggling here. Yeah, there's energy of juggling. I don't know if there's juggling financially or something like that. I'm also seeing an energy of juggling emotionally. There's bipolar disorder might be significant because I'm seeing highs and lows in emotion. Might not even be bipolar. This could just simply talk about, highs and lows in the connection that you have. When things are good, it's good. When it's bad, it's horrible. All right. And I'm seeing a tower moment where there's unexpected event happen where unexpected change. I'm seeing something crumbling down. I'm seeing a collapse of the old way of life and shattering false beliefs, and you having a new beginning, new financial beginning with this Ace of Pentacles. I'm seeing a new job, a new business, new money, new path, new journey. There's energy of manifestation. I'm seeing you focused on security, stability, abundance, saving, even and a closing of this cycle. It seems like you guys have been investing a lot of time, money, or energy into a situation, and now things are coming into fruition, the things that you are manifesting or have been manifesting. I'm definitely seeing the manifestation of your ideas or goals coming into fruition, and there is some sort of payout or profit that you guys will be obtaining or receiving. Is what I'm seeing here. That's what I'm seeing, air signs. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold